You upload files every day. Images, videos, logs, reports. Data keeps growing and growing. Now you open Azure, you click on a storage, and Azure shows two options: blob storage, data lake storage. Both say storage, both look important. But choosing the wrong one can waste money, slow your project, and create problems later. So in this video, I will explain this very simple. No complex term, no boring theory. Just clear examples and easy difference. By the end, you will know exactly which one to use and why. So meet blob storage. Blob storage is simple file storage. Think of it like Google Drive. Think of blob storage like Dropbox. What is it? A simple cloud folder where you dump files. Blob storage is used for images, videos, PDF files, backup files. If you talk about example, your personal blog, you need to store blog post images, PDF downloads, video tutorials. A company backing up files. So blob storage is easy to use, quick to set up and very low cost. Just upload files easy. Now meet data lake storage. Data lake storage is a smart storage. It is built for big data. Think of data lake like a smart library. What is it? Advanced storage with super organization. It stores structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. It is perfect for analyzing big data, business intelligence, machine learning, complex queries, data science project. And if you talk about example like e-commerce analytics, you need to analyze 1 million customer records, purchase history, website behavior, run complex report. So data lake is perfect. It is organized plus fast queries. Yeah, cost is more expensive than blob. The big differences. Blob storage, store files. What is the purpose of blob storage? Simple, file storage. And the structure like just files and folder. Blob storage is simple. Blob storage cost less. Best for photos, videos, backup. And the use cases like personal projects, simple apps. Setup 2 minutes easy. Data lake storage purpose is like big data analytics. A structured, a smart folder plus metadata. A speed is super fast query. Based for business analytics, AI. Use cases like enterprises, data science. Cost slightly greater than blob. Setup 10 minutes, bit small complex. Think of it, blob is equal to regular backpack and data lake is equal to a smart backpack with GPS tracker. Now let's see real life example. Personal photo backup. You, I want to backup 10,000 family photos. Answer, we have to use blob storage. Why? Simple files, no analysis needed. For a small business website, my bakery needs to store product names. Then use blob storage. Why? Just serving images, that's it. E-commerce analytics. Suppose I have to analyze 1 million customer purchases. Then I will use data lake because we have to do complex analysis, big data. AI training, train AI on 5 million images. Then I will use data lake. Why? Like need fast processing and organization. So let's go with quick decision guide. So whenever you are going to create blob and data lake, ask yourself these questions. Do I need to analyze data? If it is no, then blob storage. If it is yes, data lake. How big is my data? Under 100 GB, then blob storage. Over 100 GB, data lake. Will I run complex queries? Then if it is no, blob storage. If it is yes, then data lake. What's my budget? Under $20 per month, blob storage. Over $50 per month, data lake. Am I doing AI ML? No, then blob. Yes, data lake. So whenever you are going to create blob and data lake, first of all, ask yourself these questions. Now, blob storage, if you just need to store files, no complex analysis, a small budget, personal or a small project, simple is equal to perfect. Example is like photo, backup, website, image, document, storage. And when I will use data lake, if you analyze big data, running complex queries, budget $50 per month, businesses or enterprise need a speed and organization. Example like business analytics, AI, ML, data science. So at that time, I will use data lake storage. So start with blob. If you outgrow it, upgrade to data lake. Easy migration. Most people blob is enough. Thank you.